When it comes to cars, the standard tire size is typically 15 to 17 inches, with some sports car tires coming in at 22 inches as standard. Whilst these may well look huge when parked next to an average car, they are far from the biggest in the world. In this video, we are going to list the top 10 biggest tires. At number 10, it's the Titan tire. The Titan Tire Corporation is one of America's biggest manufacturers of off-highway tires, wheels, and assemblies used on equipment in agricultural, earth-moving, construction, and consumer sectors. As well as proving successful in its business acquisitions, the Titan Tire Corporation became famous for creating the world's largest tire in 2008, measuring at a staggering 14 foot tall and weighing 12,500 pounds. The mammoth 63-inch off-the-road tire was designed for use on mining vehicles. Demand for such a tire became evident when mining operations began to favor larger equipment to help slash operating costs. Although most of the 63-inch Titan tires are shipped to the oil sands of Alberta and Canada, other countries benefit from their use, with Titan producing approximately 900 units annually for a global market. Due to the enormity of the tire size, producing a single unit is no mean feat. In fact, it takes a complete 8-hour shift to manufacture just one 63-inch tire, and it's the trickiest tire to develop for the Titan brand. Next up at number 9 is the Firestone 70-7057 SRG. In 1934, Mr. R.G. Letourneau and Harvey Firestone introduced the first pneumatic tire designed specifically for earth-moving vehicles, and recently developed the 70-7057 SRG tire for the L-2350. Letourneau and Firestone claim it is the largest tire in the world situated on the world's largest loader. The tire, fitted on a Titan rim, has an overall diameter of 13 feet, a width of 5.83 feet, and a total mass of nearly 8 tons, at 6.8 tons each, not including the weight of the rim. These vehicles are beautiful statements of engineering skill and prowess, huge, strong, and robust. The wheel loaders earn their keep working in mines around the world. Each tire comes in at a cost of around $62,500. Up next at number 8 is the Monster Truck BKT tire. BKT tires have run on all Monster Jam trucks since 2014 and is a major sponsor of the league. The tires used by monster trucks are known as flotation tires, as they were originally designed so that their volume of air means the farming equipment that uses them can float slightly on wet, muddy fields instead of sinking into the mud and getting stuck. It is also useful if you want to jump your truck over 15 cars and reach heights of 30 feet in the air. One tire alone without the rim can weigh anywhere between 800 and 900 pounds. When multiplied by 4, tires take up about a third of the truck's average 10,000-pound weight. The tires can cost anything from $2,500 to $7,500 each. One of the most distinct elements of a monster truck tire is the tread pattern of the tire. The agricultural tires that are the basis of monster truck tires usually have a simple tread of deep, sharp V-shaped, or alternating stripes intended to improve grip in mud or loose soil without getting clogged. Tires for the monster trucks must be 66 inches high and 43 inches wide, and they are hand cut to accommodate truck conditions and reduce weight. Cutting just one tire can take 50 hours. At number 7, we have the Group 49 and Group 50 farm tires. Up until around 2006, the biggest farm tire you could buy for a tractor or combine was 6.8 feet tall, categorized as Group 48. Now tire manufacturers are producing even taller tires called Group 49 and Group 50, with tire diameters of 7.2 feet and 7.6 feet respectively. In one roll, these tires can cover up to 22 feet. These extra tall tires can be found on 4-wheel drive tractors, grain carts, large combines, and most recently, high HP row crop tractors. Tire makers say these large diameter tires are able to transfer more power to the ground and provide better traction than the next size down without increasing soil compaction as machines grow in size. Number 6 is the Goodyear 63-inch RM-4B Plus. In September 2016, Goodyear introduced a 63-inch version of its RM-4B Plus off-the-road tire. These tires are suited for use in severe conditions, including on terrain such as rock and aggregates, as well as on hard improved surfaces. The range features 170 level tread depth and optimal tread zone stiffness for excellent wear performance. The CycleMax tread rubber compound ensures cool running and is enhanced by tread lug balding for additional heat resistance. Other tread features include interlocking balding for high stability and angled main grooves for forward and lateral traction. Up at number 5 is the Michelin 5980R63 XDR. The Alberta Oil Sands is home to one of the biggest dump trucks in the world, the Caterpillar 797B. One of the many unique aspects of the Cat 797 are its tires. More than 13 feet tall, weighing 11,860 pounds, each Michelin 5980R63 XDR tire costs $42,500. This type of tire can carry 100 tons per tire, contains nearly 2,000 pounds of steel, enough to build 2 small cars, and enough rubber to make 600 tires to put on them. At number 4, we have the Firestone Alaska Tundra tires of the Bigfoot 5. Bigfoot 5 is without a doubt the most famous monster truck in the world, and it rides on 10 feet tall Firestone Tundra tires. The tires were originally used on an Alaskan land train that was used by the US Army in the 1950s. The tires alone weigh about 1 ton. Bigfoot 5 was completed in the summer of 1986 for the sole purpose of handling the Firestone Tundra tires. Before they were permanently installed on Bigfoot 5, they had been used by Bigfoot 1, 2, and 4. Its first show was the Fall Jamboree in Indianapolis, where it donned dual 10-inch tires, making it the tallest, widest, and heaviest pickup in the world. Today, Bigfoot 5 mainly sits on display at Bigfoot 4x4 Inc. in St. Louis, Missouri. At number 3 is the Bridgestone 5980R63 V-Steel. This tire was especially designed for dump trucks that carry loads of 380 to 400 short tons. The 5980R63 V-Steel is the world's largest tire size. It stands 158.5 inches tall, which is 4.4 inches taller than Bridgestone's former record holder, the 5580R63. It measures 57.9 inches across and has a normal load rating of 101 metric tons. The tire itself weighs 5.1 metric tons. Number 2 is the Hyster tire. Back in 2012, the Michelin Hyster tire set the world record for the biggest tire. At 14 feet, the Michelin tire that Reynold Hyster ordered for his dealership in Baldenboro, USA, measured 59 inches by 80 inches with a radius of 63 inches. The News Observer reported that just getting it to Baldwin County took an 18-wheeler and a flatbed. Installing it required a 2-foot pole, 35 cubic yards of cement, and a special permit. Drive into town today on NC 131, and the Michelin Hyster tire stands 3 times higher than the Welcome to Baldenboro sign. This is a real tire, not a fake, according to the owner of Hyster Tire, understandably proud of the giant dump truck tire permanently mounted to advertise the business. There's even a size stamped on the side, 5980R63. You could fit a mattress inside the hole and live snugly. At the number 1 spot, we have the Uniroyal Giant Tire. The Uniroyal Giant Tire was created by the United States Rubber Company for the 1964 New York World's Fair, where it functioned as a Ferris wheel. Since 1966, it has served as a static display in Allen Park, Michigan, alongside Interstate 94, between the Southfield Fairway Interchange and Outer Drive Overpass. It was originally emblazoned U.S. Royal Tires, designed by Shreve Lamb and Harmon, the same architectural firm that designed the Empire State Building. The wheel carried over 2 million people, including prominent passengers such as Jacqueline Kennedy, Telly Salvas, and the Shah of Iran. It had 24 barrel-shaped gondolas, each carrying up to 4 people, with a maximum of 96 passengers. When the fair ended in 1965, the tire was disassembled and shipped to Detroit via 22 trucks, where it was reassembled without its passenger gondolas. Conflicting reports credit the structure as being 80 feet, 83 feet, and 86 feet tall. It weighs in at 12 short tons, is anchored in 24 feet of concrete and steel, and can withstand hurricane-force winds. It is not made of rubber, but of polyester resin reinforced with glass fiber, which makes it flame-resistant. So that's it for our list of top 10 biggest tires. What do you think about these monsters? Let us know in the comments below, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more just like this. Thanks for watching.
And I just like being one of those kind of people.